Hey beautiful, so I'm back with part 2 of our wig transformation. This is a wig where I restored the wig and also repaired the balding lace closure. So now that the new closure is added to the wig, it is time to customize and style her. For the new closure, I already bleached the knots, plucked the hairline, and also made it into a middle part. Now we're going to flatten her so we can start curling and also adding the baby hairs. So for the baby hairs, I like to make it easy for my clients, so we are just doing 2 swoops, one on each side, and I like this look now because this is what's trending. And I like the way how I do my baby hairs. I really fall in love with them because literally they come out so perfect. Literally, whenever I'm making a wig customization for my clients, I want to make sure they're ready to wear a wig is ready to wear. I want it to be very easy when you get this wig and install it yourself. And after curling, here is the finished look. Oh my gosh, she looks so beautiful. Look at that lace. You do not see those knots, and the baby hairs look amazing. It's honestly so crazy to see how the wig came from this to this. But always remember, wig construction and wig customization services are always available on beautifuldesires.com.